and it depends on the length of the cleanse nails that you pick up your beads. So this you don't have to worry about if you pick it enough. It's just like if you're gonna do it 1/3 of the nails, and you're gonna cap it with your crystal clears later. So don't worry too much, especially for the beginners. Don't worry too much if you get like smaller portions of your powders, because that's all you need. But you know what, if you are feel like, you know, if you see some of my video, oh, I dropped that, some of them are still missing, that's okay, because you can always add more on as you go along if you need it more. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. And then I'm going a first layer, like a first sections. Usually I'm gonna do divide to 3, 1, 2, 3, but you're trying to blend them nice together. So I am going to the pink part. This one is gonna be cool if you combine with unicorns design that I did before. It looks stunning as well. So make sure this part is thin so that it's gonna blend really nicely with the yellow colors. We're gonna do it later. So it's still wet, so I can blend the pink to blend it with blue. But if you need more of the pink, I think I might want just a little bit more. You don't have to, I think it looks good, just me, sometimes it's just too OCD, I guess. You can't even tell because when you put the cute unicorns on, it's really so when it's still wet, you're gonna blend it. And I am going to move on to the yellow. Thank you everyone for sharing it for us. Sometimes I just like too busy focus on the nails. I didn't get to share it out. If you would like to see it later for yourself, you can share it to your page. If you want, just don't want to be public, so friends, keep it private if you want to. So then you can have the video to watch it later when you have time. Just a little bit. I'm not worried about too perfect of the ombre because I am going to put some glitter on it. Great. So I'm gonna pick some of the unicorn. This one's she cute. Doesn't matter what side you want her. Can you clean that one up because it doesn't let me pick up her well. This come with different colors. I'm really obsessed with this glitter. It have little pink, and this one of the trays that have this. I just need 3 of her, I think. She with her crown. It's like that told me, like with her crown. Is that right? I think. I use a little bit clear to adhere that unicorns. And I get a little shiny sky right here on my side. Right there, let me move it so you can see it just a little bit better. There you go. You feel if your powder already set, apply just a thin coat of it just stick really well though. Hey Sarah, Angela, hi Karina.
Instagram, they would possibly due to low battery or something. I think your storage was full for a second. It was paused for a second because
It is?
The storage was full. Like, so very nice live again. Just sorry to people.
Sorry everyone on Instagram. Okay, stay right there. You know, it's really warm here. Like it start getting warm, so then my powder start really set really fast. And I think, can you get that out of that tray for me? It's a flat surface, I can't even pick it up. Look, I can't pick it up. Oh, I can pick it up now. Just so silly. I say, wait, let me show you. And of course it's gonna, no, I don't need it in the tray because it's not gonna pick it up easy. So see, it just give me a little bit hard time today because of course when I share with you and I say, wait a minute, I'm not gonna let you pick it up. Happy Tuesday everyone. I'm gonna try to go live earlier because in it later it's just acting up crazy with internet. Are you happy with this? We're gonna cap it clear. You can do however you would like. Just one of the way is fun to do a cute nails. It's like vibrant in colors, and then some of the colors you have in collections at your salon, you can use that. It doesn't have to be necessary 3 colors. You can, I think you're gonna be cute with like even green, pink, and blue. And there's so many shade of blue, so many shade of pinks as well. So some of the color I have, that's why I would like to do this. This I just like you few glitter from that collection. Cute. It just just guide your powder toward to the center. And I pick up the second beads into cap. You know, you probably can get with 1 bead if the clients have a shorter nails. These nails I demonstrate like a little bit longer. So sometimes if my clients get a shorter nails, I can get with 1 bead and it should be good. Great. Ta-da! Let it dry. And then we can move on to the next one. In the meantime, this one dry. Okay. You know what? Like, look at the Facebook. It's keep going out of focus, so.
No.
It's better now?
Yeah, it was better now. That was a while back.
Alright, so when we're waiting for that cute little unicorns to get set, let's move on to the different ones. And we can do all like liquid gunpowder first, and then we're gonna go in and show you. This is a freaking stunning design stickers. I can't wait. And I don't know who doesn't care about crazy stickers, like, but to me, I really like it. It's not like sticker 20 years ago, everyone. It's the newest stickers for like 2020. So let's move on to the next nails. And have super cute one right there. I am gonna go in to the next nails, and then let's do some like ocean themes.